How do you guys? How are you? Hope you're all safe and well. Well, have I got something exciting for you today? At least I think it's exciting anyway. As you know on the channel, we like to bring you some different stuff. Yeah, I love doing the Blackpool stuff and the walking about. Really, really do, because I genuinely love living in Blackpool, as a lot of you out there know. But it's like when I first brought the CB radio out. Never had any idea how wildly popular it would be. So I brought something out with me today that I bought a while ago. But because of all the health problems that I've had recently, I've not had a chance to set it up and go out with it. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you what it is. So that's always helpful, isn't it, to show you what I'm making a video about? What am I talking about? I have no idea. Do you know how I ever got this channel off the ground? I'm amazed myself that I can even dress myself in the morning. Never mind get a YouTube channel off the ground. But I've got something really interesting. Do you want to see what it is? Let me show you. So there you go. That's what I bought. You're wondering what is it? Well, let me tell you. That is my shortcut to being a millionaire. It's a metal detector. It's only a cheap one. Got it from Amazon a few weeks ago. Like I say, my health's not been brilliant, so I've not been able to put it together or use it. But today I thought, right, okay, checked out the tide times. So I've had to wait for low tide. We're almost at dusk. So I thought, let's just get out and do a quick video and see if it works. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, a bit like the CB radio. I've not read the manual. I literally watched a YouTube video, someone building one, put the batteries in, and headed to the beach. So let's take it down to the beach, because there's more to this than what you can see here. And I'm going to show you when we get down to the beach. But let's take it down to the beach and see what happens. Right, I'm rapidly losing my light here. So this is going to be literally a very, very quick test. And you know what? At the end of this pathway, I'm not even too sure I can get to the beach. I might have to do a bit of scrambling here, a bit like Bear Grylls at the bottom of it, trying to get to the sand. Got to be really careful, you know, because as you guys out there know, I am prone to the odd trip and fall. So it could be that we have to find another way to the beach, but if I have to do that, I think I'm going to lose my light. Look at this view. Let me show you this view. Spectacular. I live here, me. Have I told you this? I live here, me. Unbelievable, isn't it? What a great view. It's a bit cold. It's a bit breezy. Fantastic. I live here. Right, okay. Let's see if we can get a little bit down to the beach. Right, we're having to have a rethink. There's no way I could have got over that water. It was wider than it looked, so I'm trying to rush now so I don't lose my light. I only want to give it a quick 5-minute test to see what happens. And I want to show you the extra bit that was in the box that I have no idea that it was in there, but I'm so excited. You can probably tell, can't you? I am so excited. Right, let's go back up this path. Need to get to the sand, don't I? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Right, so I've got to the steps I was looking for. Is it looking any more promising? If not, we might have to give this up as a bad job and come back in the morning, you know. Oh no, hey listen, we can get to this. We can get to the sand without drowning and taking my life in my hands. And all joking aside, if you are coming down to Blackpool and to the beach, always check out the tide times. There is an app that you can get that'll tell you the high tide and the low tide. High tide is obviously high tide is obviously when the sea is in, and low tide is when the sea is out. But we made it to the sand. How cool is this? Let me show you that view again. And it's kind of sunset. You can't really see the sun, but isn't that spectacular? Could be in Malibu, couldn't we? Look at that. Right, let's go to our big open space, and I'm going to see what my little bad boy metal detector can do. Like I say, if this is working, I'm going to do a proper review in the next few days, because I haven't read up how you set it up. I have no idea at all. There is headphones with it. I haven't brought them out because the headphones, I would imagine, when you discover something, it's going to beep, and so as not to annoy people, you can use the headphones. But there's only me here and a solitary dog walker somewhere. So I'm not going to annoy anybody, am I? Right. Let's stand it up. Let's switch it on. Well, I haven't shown you my extra bit, have I? But let's switch it on, see what happens. Oh, it's beeping. It's actually beeping. Right, okay. Well, I'm not going to show you my extra bit yet. Let's see. Can I hold the camera? A bit useless at this, aren't I? Can I hold the camera and detect at the same time? I don't even know if I've got it set for detecting. How close have I got to be? No idea. Look at that. I mean, nothing's happening, but it will do. It will do. Right, so here we go. So, I've seen a few YouTube videos, and people reckon you get quite close to where you're going and go slowly. You can sweep a bit faster, I think, but if you go slowly, it might pick up something. Probably a bottle top, won't it? Oh, we've got a beep. Are we beeping? Oh, we're beeping. So we're beeping there. So let me mark that with my foot. Let me show you. Oh, it's beeping. Oh, it's beeping. Right, let me show you now. My accessory that I've got on. Where did I mark it now? We have to come up with a better idea than this, haven't I? Where was it? We got a beep, didn't we? Oh, there we go. Let me put that. Right. So it's kind of there, isn't it? Let's see if we can. Let me show you what else we've got with this. It's amazing, this, you know. Like Indiana Jones. Indiana Dave. Right, let me show you what we've got. Look at this. It came with it, this, you know. Didn't have to buy it extra. Look at this. It's like a trowel thing. Look at that. Not rubbish, this, you know. Top quality gear, this. You must have to screw that in there, which is very difficult with one hand. And then what we do is we dig, see what we can find. Where were we? Beeping before. Is it here somewhere? What are you supposed to do? We found anything. Be a cold cam, won't it? Right, let's get the metal detector back on it again. See if we can work out where. Oh! Can you hear it? Oh. So it's kind of there. Right. So it's more likely to be something there. Exciting, this, isn't it? Look at this. Could do a live with this, you know. That might be an idea. Do a bit of a live. Metal detecting live on Blackpool Beach. Perhaps it's nothing, perhaps it's a false alarm. Perhaps I've not even set it up right. Have another scan. Oh, it's a bit further over there. Sure, it was over there. Keep moving this, what is it? Let's have a look. Absolutely no idea. Oh, look! Look! Oh my lord! Let me see. We've found treasure. We've absolutely found treasure, look! Look at that! Come on, Rich. That's it. Can't even get a portion of chips on the way home with that, can I? What is it, £1? I bet it's a euro or something, isn't it? I bet after all this, it's not even real money, is it? Have a look. My eyes aren't great, you know. What is it? Is it a proper £1? You guys can probably see it home better than me. Put it back on the beach. Well, it is metal. We found something. Wow. Look at that, guys. Let me show you. I can't believe this. I don't know if this is focusing or not. No idea what I'm doing. Absolutely no idea. I've even got the wrong glasses on. We've got £1. Look at that. And I got to use me Indiana Jones archaeological dig trowel. Just keeping an eye on the sea because it is coming back in. But look at this. Metal detector, trowel, and £1 for me troubles. That's it now. Honestly, I'm going to put lottery on Saturday. And a little case for me super duper trowel. How exciting is this? Right guys, there you go. How exciting was that? Feel a new playlist coming on. We've got the Walk Around Blackpool playlist, Let's Go for a Walk. We've got the CB Radio playlist, where we try and make contact with the world. We've got the retro gaming playlist as well, where we look at all the retro gaming machines from years gone by and some fantastic shops that are not too far away from Blackpool. And now we've got a new playlist, haven't we? Metal detecting on Blackpool Beach, or treasure hunting in Blackpool. Man, it sounds like I'm going through charity shops, that, doesn't it? But how good was that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go home, I'm going to RTFM, I'm going to read the flipping manual, and I'm going to work out what all them buttons do on it and what them beeps mean. Because I'm sure I'm doing something wrong. And I bet all you guys are out there, you're going to get in the comments and go, Dave, what are you doing? You've got it all wrong. But we found treasure. We found treasure. How good's that? Now, it cost me this metal detector, which I bought out of my own money, by the way. Wasn't sponsored by anybody, this video. Who'd sponsor this video anyway? Who'd sponsor this channel? You'd have to be mad, wouldn't you? You know, I always say, there's people out there that sell tea towels with their heads on it and with the faces on it, and mugs with the faces on it. Who'd want a mug with this fizzog on it? You wouldn't, would you? I might sell oven gloves or something, or... No, I know what I could do. A pot towel with my face on it to keep the kids away from the cooker. I don't think we're going to be doing merch anytime soon, are we? I'm meandering again, aren't I? Getting off the subject. Right, so it cost me £52 from Amazon. It's only a very, very cheap one. So I wasn't even too convinced it was going to work, to be honest with you. But if this video turns out to be popular and people comment on it, we might even do a live. Treasure hunting live in Blackpool. Would you watch that? Let me know in the comments below. I have got plans for a live CB contact or PMR radio contact video coming up soon. You might not even understand what that means. And I'll be honest with you, can't even say that I do. But I'm going to try and do a live when I can work out how to do a live. As you might have just seen in that video, all gets a little bit complicated for me. Got a bit of my Parkinson's tremor today. And trying to hold the camera and hold the metal detector, I hold my Indiana Jones very professional archaeological digging tool, was a bit of a problem. So I'm going to work on that. Maybe bring the tripod next time when I find something. I'll zoom in on it so I don't lose where it is. I start digging for dear life. And who knows what we're going to find? I mean, there's hundreds of people, thousands of people come to Blackpool during the season. Some of them are going to lose things, aren't they? I'm going to find them. Absolutely. Well, there you go, guys. You know what? I'm genuinely chuffed a little mint balls that we found something on our first time out. If you ever watched one of the first CB radio videos, we had to go out about 18 times before we actually found somebody to speak to. Well, this metal detecting could be good, couldn't it? Stay tuned, it can only get better. Won't get much worse, could it? Like I always say, if you like what you see, please hit subscribe. It's absolutely free. And look out for the new Metal Detector in Blackpool playlist. This will be the first video in it, won't it? Full review of the machine coming up soon. Not a lot to it, but there is some buttons on there that I don't really know what they mean. So I'm going to show you exactly what it came with, explain how it all works. Hey, we could have a, you know what, we could all come out, couldn't we? We could all meet on the beach and walk in a line, like you see in them TV cop shows when they're walking through the woods looking for evidence. We could have a metal detectorist club in Blackpool, South Shore Metal Detectorist Club. And we could all walk in a line. We could start down at Stargate and walk all the way up to Thornton Cleveley's. There's cafe on the way. I'll show you that as well. There's a cafe on one of the walkways that's hidden away. I bet you didn't even know that existed, did you? I'm wittering on again, aren't I? Right, I'm going to go. because I have lost the light. Hit subscribe, hit share, hit like. Most of all, share and comment down below. If you think I'm as mad as a box of frogs and you don't want to see any more of this rubbish, let me know in the comments below. But if you're interested in what I've just done and you think, I'm going to subscribe, I'm going to watch this guy, I might find something really good. You just never know. That £1 coin, just a start. Okay, guys, I'm rambling now, aren't I? I'll see you very, very soon in the next one. Take very good care. Bye-bye.